What I love most about working at Mainline Health is the bond.
Family. They treat you like family. A lot of hospitals say preach it, but they don't do it.
You're working on a team that's almost like a family, a second family.
For me personally, being around my coworkers, whether they're other operating room assistants, whether they're my managers, whether they're other nurses, whether they're housekeeping, just going to work and knowing that I'm a part of a team, that's very important.
We are a family. We celebrate joy with each other and we grieve with each other.
I really think people care more here.
The work environment, it's very friendly.
I work with extraordinary coworkers. Everybody puts it all together. We're there for the patient and supporting their families. And it's just a great environment that Mainline Health has created, and I don't never see myself leaving.
I love the coworkers that I work with, my managers, and also the patients that come in. It's rewarding.
You get a lot of the innovation, the future feel here, but you also get that relationship and that community feel in the same breath.
I found that Mainline Health is a wonderful place to grow. I started in this organization without having a degree. I found the people to be very supportive of me going back to school, and even more so supportive of me switching into another role. So there was no one saying that's where you have to stay, you should be a nurse, you should be a nurse.
There's a job for everyone, and anything that you want to do, there is a way to experience it.
Working in OBGYN, we see really happy stories and we see really sad stories as well. It's nice to be able to connect with the patients and really feel like you make a difference.
I love their core values, so much into diversity and inclusion. I learn things every day with the diversity, celebrating different holidays, different traditions, things I've never heard about, which I think is really neat.
It's all about how you treat people. When you treat people with the respect that's due to them, regardless of where they work, whether they work in the kitchen or whether they work in administration, when you just treat people the same way, you just find that there's a certain bond that you have, no matter what.
So the diversity committee strives to include everybody who works here.
I think the diversity impacts the culture because it mixes things up. I think a good balance of people, whether young, old, different ethnic backgrounds, all of that makes a great team because we all add to each other.
It really is like a family.
With like housekeeping, with like the doctor, everybody's working together as a team, for the patient.
Every day is happy to see the face the patients. Every day it's excited. Every day is happy.
If you come in with an open mind and being respectful, you'll enjoy working at Bryn Mawr Rehab.
If you want to be in healthcare and you want to join a hospital but you're not sure you have the experience, that's no problem. They'll teach you. Everyone's willing to help out. Everyone's really just welcoming.
If you are thinking about applying, you should just do it. Take on the opportunity, apply. You will start to get the flavor of what exists at Mainline Health.